Hi everyone, this is Chloris from Launch. Welcome back to our channel. In today's unboxing video, I will show you the products from Launch, the X431 Pro X Elite. Opening the product's shipping outer box, we can see that there is a X431 Pro X Elite main unit. A package of charger, a package of diagnostic cable, as well as a user manual, a packing list, a password letter, and a quick start guide. Next, we can see that this product features an 8-inch high-definition touchscreen. From left to right on the top, there is a Type A interface, a Type C interface, a diagnostic interface, a power button. At the back, there is a backbone stand. This is a professional automotive diagnostic tool that supports full system scanning and covers 90% vehicle models. It can read and clear fault codes, view live data, perform active tests, and code ECU, and includes 32 special functions. So that's it for today's unboxing of Launch X431 Pro X Elite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. I'm Chloris. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.